To have a good and wealthy life, you have to be extremely smart with your money. You have to invest your money to assets. You don't want to go and spend money on a stupid things that they cannot contribute to your life. So be smart and invest your money so that money can work for you and you can have a more comfortable life. Life is a school. Every day you're going to hear something extremely important. When something applies to you and when something gives you the chills, when information sounds so right, write it down. Let it become part of your life. Don't just let comes to the one ear and just exit another. Write it down and read it daily just to make sure that becomes part of your life. Don't be afraid to cut people off. It's better be by yourself than being with the wrong people. For example, when you talk to somebody new or somebody that you know, on the end of the conversation, if you feel empty or if you feel that your energy has depleted, that means that person is draining your energy, is not the right fit. They must be negative and you don't want to be around those people. Focus on the people that actually are good match for you. Work smart, no hard. Before you do anything, you have to have a checklist. Think about how you can execute whatever you needed to do. The more you think, the task is going to be easier. So always use your head before you do anything. No one is coming to save you. Your life is your responsibility. If you wanted something in this world, in this life, get your ass up and do it. Don't ever take for granted what you have today. For example, you can see, you can smell, you can touch, you can walk, you can write, you can learn. There's always the things that you should be grateful for. Your time is it's the most precious things that you do have. It's more important than money. You have to use it wisely. Like you have to discover what brings you the joy, what do you want to achieve, what do you want to do. Use your time on this earth, and you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So whatever makes you happy, do it. Do it when you have a time. Do it now. Always trying to just say less than is necessary. Often people who talk a lot, they're unconfident. It's better for you to listen, observe. You will look more professional, more smart, more wise. Learn to say no. When I was younger, often I will be telling yes to so many different things, so many places, things that I really didn't want to do. But you have to protect yourself. You have to say no. You have to choose what's right for you. Don't waste your time on the things that you don't like or you don't want it to do. Don't ever compare yourself to anyone else. You never know what's going on with other people. Like they may have that, Ferrari, that beautiful home, a lot of followers online, but you never know what's going on in their mind, what kind of struggle they have, are they healthy, and God knows what else. So never you want to switch yourself and trying to be somebody else. Everybody has issues and problems. Failure is not end. Every failure will make you stronger. You're going to learn something new. You will get better. Failure is a part of the success. If you're happy and successful, share it. If you're wealthy and you have a lot of money and a lot of success and you see the people in the struggle, help them out. You will not take this wealth to another world. Share it, make other people happy and let that be your medicine. Seeing other people happy too. Don't be too selfish. Stop caring what other people think about you. That's one of the most wasted time of your life. You're supposed to be you, do the things how you like it. Of course, you will be kind, you'll be genuine, but if somebody doesn't like you, that's not part of your problem. Don't climb the wrong mountain. Imagine if on the end of your lifetime that you look at back and you just realize you just waste your life chasing the other people's dream. Make sure whatever you're trying to achieve in your life, it's for you, not for your parents or anybody else. It's your goal. Falling in love within yourself is the one of the most hardest and most important thing of your life. When you get to the stage that you love exactly the way you look, the way you act, When you embrace your personality, then the true life begins. When you are being yourself and you're authentic, people will notice your vibration, they will notice your energy, and you're going to attract a lot of beautiful things to you.